Hey gang, and welcome to another tutorial with Nanicrypto. Today we're going to run through the step-by-step process on how to convert your dust into BNB tokens. Now, all this process can be done within the Binance exchange. This is the Binance exchange. It's a great exchange for you to do crypto trading. It's one of the newer exchanges, but has some real gems, so I definitely would recommend you setting up an account on Binance if you haven't already done so. I will be adding a referral link for you to do that, and all you need to do is click on that link, create your account, and send over your Bitcoin or your cryptocurrency so you can start trading. So I also found a quick link from the Binance website that gives you the step-by-step instructions on how to do this process, and I'll also be adding that into the description. So this is what you need to do. You log into your Binance account. Now, when you've been doing trading within Binance, you'll find that sometimes you have leftover tokens. So for example, if you bought 13.0001 of a certain token, then when you go and sell that, it may not let you sell everything. And I'm not sure what exactly the limitation is, but sometimes you will get a case where you have leftover small amounts of cryptocurrency. Now, in the past, you'd either have to leave them because you can't really withdraw them because the fees would be too high. You can't sell them because it's too low. And you would basically have to wait until you traded that coin again and hope that that was added to another small amount and that it became a unit so you could sell it. So it's quite complicated in the past. However, what they've now done is, considering the Binance token is such an important token, you can actually convert all those small amounts of leftover currency or leftover tokens into BNB. Okay, so without further ado, this is how we do it. Now, there's two ways you can get to the next screen. You can either go to estimated value or you can go to your funds. So we're going to go from funds into balances. And then right at the top of your balances, you're going to find this area here, which says small balances, hide or don't hide, and then convert to BNB. You're going to click on the convert to BNB button, and this is what it's going to do. Now, I currently only have one coin, but you could have 10, 20 coins. And the good thing about the way the process is done, it will actually tell you what coin you will be doing it, what balance you have, how much it is worth in BTC. So as you can see, it's got to be more than 0.001 for you to be able to do the process, and how much you will get in BNB. So what I do is, you can either click on the top link, the top checkbox, which will tick everything that you have available, or just choose this one. In my case, it does both because it's only one coin. It says you have selected one coin, which can be converted to 0.3 BNB tokens. You're going to have a small fee. And then when you click on exchange, so the token's going from ZRX to BNB, and I click on confirm. And the conversion is fairly quick. Now, if you wanted to know what the history you have or what other conversions is done, you can click on that link and it will send you to a page where it has the separate. So as you can see, I've currently done trades on a total amount of about 0.79, if not probably about 0.8 BNB. Now, BNB seems to be a token that's doing really well in the market, so it's definitely something that's worth doing. And not only that, for everybody who trades in Binance, you'll also know that when you trade any other cryptocurrencies, you can use BNB tokens to pay the fees instead of using Bitcoin. So it's definitely a great way to increase your Bitcoin, pay with those BNB tokens, which we believe are going to continue to increase in value, and a very quick way for you to do that. I hope this helps. Please remember to click on that thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to turn on post notifications. We have now started to do a few live streams just to kind of help everybody out with day-to-day charts and how to read them and how to use TradingView and things like that. So I definitely invite you guys to follow us and share our content so other people can find out about it too. Happy trading, guys. Hope this helps. Good night.